This is not just a visit, it's a cultural rebirth. Meet Alyne, but today, she becomes Mahoro, embracing the rhythm, color, and spirit of Rwandan life at Umurishyo Arts Gallery and Coffee Lounge. Her journey begins in the bustling heart of Kimironko Market, gathering fresh local ingredients like a true Rwandan homemaker. Back home, she prepares and cooks a traditional meal, grounding herself in the art of Rwandan cuisine. From bean to cup, she roasts, pounds, and brews her own Rwandan coffee, a taste of legacy in every sip. Then, she lets her creativity flow in a vibrant painting session. Inspired by Rwandan stories and colors, she dives into the secrets of brewing traditional banana juice Urwagwa, a rich symbol of celebration and community. And finally, she steps into royalty, crowned queen in a traditional wedding ceremony, a tribute to ancient customs and timeless pride. This is Alyne's day. This is Mahoro's journey.
I'm going to Kugura Imyumbati. I'm going Kugura Imyumbati.
And this is the marketplace.
It's still recording. Yeah. I just don't know if I have so much space, so it's better
How you learn it? To the end of the day, I will learn.
Inamasetsana mvagotse nyorotse kwazo mweto konda gutakesha warakarita warasinatsinza mugabo ngambera n'umutase gusa kondabaza museke wakarebuza gusesamisha
ngwinore menye umuravumba n'igicushu n'igiti cy'umuvumu ndetse imbehe n'inkongoro niho biva.
If you say like Japan, Brazil. You know Pelé, okay. You know Carnaval, okay.
What are you going to do? What are these?
I forgot the name of it. Yishimbo.
Yeah. And this?
I forgot the name of this also. Ibigori. Yeah, there is a technique to do it. Is it coming?
The leaves are still fresh, but because they are under the shade of the banana, they're under the shade, that's why they're fresh. But when they have those rotations, they're fine, dry ones. That's one season, they will again bring the fresh leaves.
Okay,
Yeah.
just leave the leaves.
Yeah, you leave it like this, so the leaves dry and fall. They fall. Afterwards, in the sunshine, like here.
So hot.
See, they are different from the other one.
True.
Yeah, because that one is under the shade.
The shade makes
The
so
shade.
different.
Yeah, the shade makes it different. They make them grow more towards the rich color. See, the yellow is turning into a rich one. So this is where they grow differently, but our coffees mainly grow in February because when it reaches to March, April, we'll be harvesting. So we don't want our coffees to be eaten by the sun. So during this sun season, that's what we find. So we harvest early before the sun comes. So because the sun helps us.
Yeah. Take a few.
Behind, put behind, lift, just yes, so see, a little bit white, right? Just white and push in front, like the other way you were grinding the other soda. So that's the way you do it. Push in front. Yeah, see?
But it's enough?
Yeah, this is enough. You see?
It's really soft.
Yeah, it's really soft. It's not that hard like the other one. Because it's very well.
Okay.
another way.
Yeah.
Spots when you have a lot of white, small spots.
And how I know is like enough?
So you can see,
Yeah, it's alright.
just blow, take them off.
Okay.
Just blow your air.
Ah, with my mouth.
Well, with your mouth, because there is no wind. Yeah? But you will blow when you lift it up.
I don't think it's working.
A little bit up.
Ah.
But they won't pop out. Yeah?
Oh, that's why we need.
Yeah, that's why we need keep more. That's why you're giving it the color and you're letting its heat, so you again put on the fire.
Okay.
So because yeah, now it's not going again.
Okay. Ah, that's beautiful.
Open your camera.
But it's too white here, no?
No, you
I
can mix
don't...
whatever. Yeah, you have a painting. You have to mix some more painting.
Okay, so
red,
red
yeah, and smaller yellow.
and small
Yeah,
yellow.
don't go up the here. Okay,
Yeah.
come to
Just so
yes, nice
like
one.
this.
Yes.
Because it's white.
Put them more. Put them more.
I'm afraid.
You don't know about the paint. There's more painting here.
Yeah. Because I'm afraid to do this part
No,
dark.
make this part here. After you can make another one. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, mix all whatever you want. You see how you can do it. Right now, you're gonna mix the well.
Okay.
Put them on. Let me show you something. If you don't want this white, you see. Put something like that. You have a fear about the painting.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that. It's yours.
Look like it's a mess now. Okay.
Continue. Shade there. Good one here. Don't worry.
But I can. But the
Yes,
yellow part
yeah,
was
it's
so
okay.
beautiful.
Yeah,
Now it's
it's
not
okay.
anymore.
You can put in more.
So
Okay,
now I put the yellow here.
Yeah. Okay. The
Okay.
second, you're gonna making the mountain.
More yellow.
The more, yeah. Put the yellow,
Just-
yeah, yeah. It's your
More
work.
like yeah.
No. And the white. More white. More. Another white. Nice one.
Okay.
Yeah. Good.
Ah, it was more beautiful before.
Even now. If you're done, yeah, you can take it. You can clean
I
your
like
brush.
it before.
You like it before?
I like it.
Why? You want to make the good one. I know you can make the good one. Where's the brush there?
I think I need to put more. Yeah. Let's see.
You like the yellow for the first time.
The what?
The yellow for the yellow you put the first time.
Yeah,
But
I
now
wanna
it's
bag.
you go, yeah, you see? You're gonna buy.
Was better before, but okay. It's too
It comes good, don't worry.
I have the yellow. Go back to the white. Here.
You know the art you make, it's very cool.
The white too. To do the reflection.
Yeah.
Opa, too much white.
It's good reflection for too much white, it's okay. They want to see your painting, but you never see. But if I show them for the painting,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can
it's
see where.
beautiful. It's too beautiful. I think I'm making a mess.
Yeah.
I'm trying to
check.
fix it.
If you want to fix it, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, step. Like that. Nice.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. The second, you're gonna put the mountain first. This one. You see, you can do it.
Yeah. And this orange here.
Yes.
And I come with
White. I showed you
White?
how you can put it there with the good moon. Yeah, white. Mix the white and yellow.
white and yellow. Like here?
No. Like this.
Like this? Here. Until down. Okay. Okay.
So
Beautiful.
very nice.
But that is
But
like
you
a
have to
line
mix
here.
the really,
Yeah.
more red. Put it there. You don't know, touch it in the red door. Yeah. Good to see what you're going to hug your painting in your house.
Sure.
Just pick the good one.
This is really beautiful one.
They're really beautiful.
Yeah.
I like that. Okay. Do you know how you can make the? Oh, if you shade it here, I can put it.
Try to fix it something.
Good color.
Okay.
Do you know how I can make the good one? This one.
Oh.
And then it's circling.
But with this? No, with this.
Whatever you want. Hey, if you want, you can make this. And then after, put your brush in your
But it's not too big. No, no.
not too big. Then down. Good one.
Okay.
You see, it's small.
Yeah,
And they
sure.
put the whites.
The Thank you so much. So which color I use?
White.
White?
With the mix of the small yellow. It can be. You see,
Okay.
the more yellow, but put the white. Put the white because there is yellow inside.
The white straight here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like how we take the brush. So nice.
Thank you. Thank you, I'm an artist.
Artist. But you're artist because you're a photographer.
But it's different, no? the thing is already prepared for me. I click.
You're good for sure. That's a
And
good
here
thing.
I need building the thing.
Oh.
This one.
When I was kid, I would like to paint the house. Something like that. My mommy said, hey, why you like to paint the house? You want to build the house? I said, yeah, I need my house. He said, if you need your house, you have to work hard.
Yeah. Like that?
Yes.
Too much.
Too much color white?
No, it's like I can see the brush mark, you know. It's a bit more red. I shake my
Because the first time. Okay. Did you drink a beer?
not today. Yesterday I tried the banana beer.
Sure.
Yeah, here.
How do you,
I
how
like
do you
it.
feel for the stomach?
It was okay. Yeah.
You never
It's
going
sweet.
somewhere. I think the first time someone the stomach is going bad for going there in toilet something like that.
I think it's too much like I don't know. There's
If
something happened
you
here.
for collecting your art, you have to clean your brush. If you clean the brush, it can like shape well.
Okay.
We'll go with the
Hello, how are you?
good. That's the view. So
You understand what I mean? This sauce should be more soft between the colors. The circle.
yeah. But the side you can put another side, it's okay. You can take another one and
It's not gonna be because I don't think I like the circle.
cycle.
Thank you.
But sometimes you find a control line.
Mushyiriho kawa nawe ruko.
Yegos?
Yeah.
Mukira kwishyura ariko.
Agakawa kariho nani?
Exactly.
Kakajaga gatoya. Kazaga gashobora ku.
It's gonna try good. More than me. Yeah.
But what I mean, like here in the center, okay, because it's the sun.
Yeah.
But after this circle is not part of the sun, so it should be more blurred with the sky. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, I understand what the sky. But you
Yeah.
can learn like I should like show you like a shot like this, and you make the sky. Look there, your painting first.
No, yeah, but even this painting is too much circle.
Yeah,
I prefer
more.
something more soft, you know, more like a sky, a real sky.
Okay.
You
If
see
you
more-
want to make the real sky, make the shadows on real with the real sky without putting the circle. You can put this one for the moon, another one you can mix it whatever you want, like
But
the sky.
which
Yeah.
color here?
Which
with
color?
the big one,
Take
right?
take the big brush. Then I show it to you. Yeah, let me help you.
Okay.
Do you know the step I showed you the first here for the yellow, this
Yeah.
one white, and you can mix until here. Mix.
So
well,
it's yellow.
Yeah.
No, it's this color here and
here,
yellow here.
Yellow here, yeah. This color
No, I think
up,
it's-
yellow down.
This color.
Yeah. And take the more painting. Don't touch. No.
Okay.
I need
Yeah.
to take the more. Because you're touching the small and the what comes in inside, you see.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, take the more. Because I said to take the more.
I'm afraid.
You are afraid of it. You see, if you take the marker, it comes well and soft for the brushes.
Yeah.
You see? And the small, the dark color, your colors.
Color here.
Yes. And the small reds. Yeah.
More red for where? Here.
Because I need to mix inside with the color.
Yeah.
With the-
You see,
yeah.
like this effect I wanna hear.
Yeah, you can.
That's the
fix it.
thing. Yeah.
You can fix it well because you have time to make it good. This is the first step of putting the animals, the elephants, something, water. The first step in
Everything I want.
Step by step, you have a time. Me, I have a time for you.
I just have one meeting 1 p.m.
For 1 p.m.
1 p.m. I have one meeting.
You have a lecture, yeah. One enough.
The
Oh, yeah, ma.
yellow.
The one for if you are
But it's
brushing
better.
it, don't go up like this.
Okay.
It go
Okay.
It's cool, you know, the painting you do. So nice.
Yeah, it's something I don't like. I don't know why. Wow, that's good.
I think you are waiting your final work.
Yeah.
It's yellow. Yes, yes. Nice. Comes well.
But just clean because I put my finger, so it's with banana. Come
This and put there.
Put here. Here. Again, thank you. I need to be more strong. Here? Here? Like a sweet. Oh my god, I'm happy, guys. With this, without this. Oh my god, I'm so happy.
You are her groom, you will be next
I'm
time.
happy. But what I need to do?
You just sit,
I just see
enjoy.
green is
Enjoy
easy,
feel green.
easy life, you know? We need two other guys for him to dance.
We make a photo. We make a photo of the screen. Okay, 1, 2, 3.